What's up guys, CJ here with another Smart Grind tutorial. Today I'm going to give you a freebie on a free traffic source that you can use to promote your CPA offer or affiliate link. So let's get right into it. Today we're going to talk about trafboost.net. Yes, trafboost.net. This is a site where you can be able to promote your affiliate link or CPA offer for free. Now, after you go to trapboost.net, you're going to create an account. And after you create an account, you're going to end up in their back office right here. And what you do is you earn points. You earn points down here like 100 points, 50 points, 30 points, 50 points, 100 points. And the more points you earn, the more points you can use to advertise your CPA offer or product. So how it works is I'll click on this ad right here, and it's going to show me this ad for at least 20 seconds. It's going to show me 20 seconds of this ad, which gives a person an opportunity to see your ad, read it, look at it, and if they're interested, they might click on your offer. So after 20 seconds, you're going to get a confirmation code up here to where they're going to make sure that you're real and you've watched it. And so you click on Twitter and see now you've earned 100 points. Then you go to click on next. They're going to show you another ad. This one's probably about 50 points because it was only 12 seconds. And so on and so forth. And so it works like this. These are other people promoting their ads and offers, but it's an opportunity for you to make some quick money and get some traffic to your CPA offers without having to use any upfront money or anything like that. You just got to earn points. So what I do is I typically put on Netflix and I sit here and I do this for about 30 minutes and I get about 2,000 to 3,000 points, and then I promote my offer on here and I just let it run and I just let it run. And you just do this over and over again till you get as many points as you want. You can sit here for an hour, you can sit here for 2 hours, and earn as much points as you want. And then after that, you just promote your offer. See, this is a 100-point offer. It just gives you insight on other sites where you can see, like, here's another traffic source that you could use right now. You could pay and get X amount of impressions on your CPA offer. I mean, sky's the limits with this. You can test it out for yourself, like I said, and I'll show you how now you can make an offer. So, okay, I just grabbed 361 points because, I mean, I did promote a website yesterday, so most of my points are gone. So after you're done, you want to add a new website. And you're going to go up here and find a CPA offer. And so how you find a good CPA offer that's working and people are actually making money off of it, you're going to click on your EPC, earns per click. And if it has a high EPC rate, see, like this one's $1.83, that means people are making money off of this. $1.81, people are making money off of this. So we're going to come here and we're going to click on this. And we're going to select contextual, grab our link, make sure I got it, come back up to Trafboost, and I'm going to imprint my link right here. And it's going to validate it for you, so it's going to play you your offer in front of you for a quick second. Okay, so it'll run that like this, make sure it's validated. Then after you're done, come down here, you select the category. And we're going to use jobs and education. And you want to probably edit this and make it catchy. So I tend to just take this off. Make something catchy. I quit my job. Now I get paid $274, $2,740 per day. How? And you could get the brief description from your affiliate offer too. Yeah, I just grabbed something like this and post it right here. And then I'm gonna put the points at 100 because the more points you have, the more people are gonna see your ad. Your points, and submit, and that's it. And as you see, I posted this one yesterday. I had 52 visits to my site, so you know it works. And you just sit here and you do that over and over. You know, you spend 30 minutes to an hour a day doing this. This is just another free traffic source that you can use to promote your CPA or affiliate offers. But this is just a little insight on some of the training I offer in my paid training videos. Like I said, right now I have a special going on. I have a video that'll give you consistent leads generated to your CPA offer, consistent people asking about your offer. This training video is 15 bucks right now, and I'll even give you an offer that I use, and you can emulate it and copy this method and use it as your own. I'll even show you the CPA offer I use. So this is CJ with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. I'm out.